What if your investment strategy was completely automated by AI? 3 months ago, Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. Midnight to 0:30, cold open 3 months ago. Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. She was skeptical, like many of us. But then she took the plunge. Today, we're going to see the real results of letting AI manage her investments for 30 days. 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Setup: Sarah is a 28-year-old tech enthusiast living in San Francisco. She's always been interested in the latest AI tools, tips, and tricks. In May 2026, she decided to experiment with AI for managing her investment portfolio. She chose two popular platforms, dreamina Seedance 2.0 and Pipit. Both promised impressive returns using advanced algorithms. She started with $10,000, dividing it equally between the two platforms. Her goal was simple: beat the market without lifting a finger. But could AI really deliver? 2 to 4 o'clock. Rising action the first week was uneventful. Both platforms made small trades, following the market trends. Sarah watched closely, hoping for signs of outperformance. Then came the second week. dreamina Seedance 2.0 made a bold move, investing heavily in renewable energy stocks. Pipit, on the other hand, stuck to safer blue-chip companies. Sarah felt a mix of excitement and anxiety. What if one platform failed miserably? The stakes were real. 4 to 6 o'clock. Complications by the third week. Things got interesting. dreamina Seedance 2.0's aggressive strategy paid off initially with a 5% gain. But then came the unexpected. A sudden market downturn hit renewable energy stocks hard. Sarah watched in horror as her gains evaporate. Meanwhile, Pipit's conservative approach kept losses minimal. She began to doubt her decision. Was AI really worth it? The tension was palpable. 6 to 7 o'clock, Climax, but the real surprise was coming. In the final week, something unexpected happened. dreamina Seedance 2.0's algorithm detected a buying opportunity in tech stocks. It executed a series of rapid trades, locking in significant profits. By the end of the month, Sarah's portfolio had grown by 7%. Pipit, however, only managed a 2% return. The difference was clear. AI had proven its worth, but it wasn't without risks. 7 to 8 o'clock, resolution. So, what did Sarah learn? AI can indeed manage investments effectively, but it requires careful selection of platforms and a solid understanding of market dynamics. She now uses a hybrid approach, combining AI insights with human oversight. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Rate this AI performance 1 to 10. Was it enough, or should it have gone further?